Hi everyone, it's Susan Brousseau, Supervisor of Low Incidence Programming here at the Marple Education Center. I've been working all summer long getting ready for your return for the 2021 school year. In preparation for your return, we've developed a comprehensive health and safety plan to ensure a safe return for all of our students and staff for the upcoming school year. You're probably wondering what I'm doing out here on the playground. Well, it is pretty great when there's no kids and teachers here because I get all the equipment to myself. But really, at this moment, I'm here to talk more about our health and safety plan, specifically about social distancing. Within the learning environments, we will be looking to do social distancing within 6 feet of our peers or more, as well as asking students and staff to wear masks. Some other changes to how we function here at Marple Education Center will be the playground. You'll still have time during the day allotted to come out with your class, but instead of 2 classes coming out here, it will just be 1, and we will be sanitizing the playground in between each class that's out here. And last, lunches. You used to go up to the cafeteria for your lunch, but this year it's going to be within your classroom and we'll have lunch delivered. Enjoy the rest of your summer. Well, we're just doing the finishing touches on getting the building ready for your return. But before you return, there's another part of the DCIU's health and safety plan that I want to review with you. Part of our plan focuses on cleaning, sanitizing, disinfecting, and ventilating learning areas, as well as areas such as the hallway and the restrooms. The DCIU is utilizing EPA-approved disinfectants, which combat against COVID-19. Relative to the low incidence program, we are assigning bathrooms to each classroom, as well as the multiple disability support classrooms will have their own assigned changing area. You might recognize the room that I'm currently in. This is our health suite, or otherwise known as Nurse Megan's office. Another part of our health and safety plan is that throughout the school year, we will implement protocols for monitoring student and staff health and wellness. We have a joint responsibility in maintaining a healthy learning environment here at Marple Education Center. Therefore, we will monitor students and staff for symptoms and history of exposure, and we're asking that all staff and students take their temperature before reporting to school. If you're not feeling well, please stay home. In terms of the low incidence program, nursing services will look a little different this year. In the past, students and staff would come to the health suite for any nursing services that they needed. This year, nursing services will be going out to the classroom as a means to limit the number of people that are in the nurse's office at one time and also throughout the day. Now let's take a look at how we are prepared for our students and staff to return to Marple Education Center. This is just one example within our program of how we've made changes. This typically on any given school day is hustling and bustling with staff and students. Staff who are signing in for the day as well as picking up mail, and students that are in here doing a variety of jobs. Due to our return to school and our health and safety plan, we need to identify new jobs within this office that can be done within the classroom rather than having students come up to this area. For the classrooms, individual workspaces will be arranged to increase distances to 6 feet apart, and desks will face in the same direction. For students who have PCAs, we will have additional PPE for staff to wear when working closely with students or less than 6 feet. Well, unfortunately, our time together is coming to an end. It won't be long now until you'll be pulling up in your bus back here in the bus area. And myself, as well as our many staff members at the Marple Education Center, will be out here anxiously awaiting your arrival. For our families, please know that we will continue to provide communication with you, which is timely and delivered through phone call, letter, emails, and also the DCIU website and social media sites. Until then, enjoy the rest of your summer, and we can't wait to have you back.